Right, so the next sort of skill that we practice when working with normal distributions is where they give you partial information about the normal distribution and further information about the areas, and then expect you to work out what's missing from the normal distribution you're working with. And in order to do that, we have to take the fact that any normal distribution can be transformed onto the standard normal distribution, and the standard normal distribution, given a mean of 0 and a standard deviation of 1, are all stored in your calculator. In order to do this, you need to learn this transformation function. It's in red because it's not given to you in the formula book, so we're going to be using that, and that's one that you will need to recall in order to access questions on this. So let's get started. So we're given a random variable x, where we know that it's got an unknown mean, and a standard deviation of 3. And they're saying that given that x being greater than 20, well, let's assume that that is there, it might not be, is 0.20, find the value of mu. So the way that we do this is we work with the standard norm. So if I if I work out from the standard normal distribution, so z normal 0, 1, and work out that value there of a, then that will map totally onto this using that transformation function there. So this is how it works. So from z probability of z being less than a equals 0.2. So menu 7, inverse normal, area 0.20. Now this is going to be less than, which is going to give us this side. Standard deviation of 1, mu of 0. So minus a is minus 0.8412. So negative a is minus that. So a, from the symmetry of it, is going to be 0.8412. So using this transformation function from our z is now that. So using a is x minus mu over sigma, okay, from the z function, 0.8412. X is the boundary value we were given over the standard deviation, which we know is 3. So to get mu on its own, I'm going to take the 3 up, so I need to multiply that by 3. So I need to bring this now into the arithmetic panel. So I'm going to store that in x and then go into arithmetic. So 3x is negative 2.5. So if I times that by minus 1, because I wanted the positive value, so 20 minus mu is that. So mu will be 20 minus 3 lots of 0.8412. 0.8412. So I've taken the 3 up, then I've made the mu positive by having it on the left hand side and brought that across to the right hand side, sorry. So 20 minus my answer gives me a mean of 17.5. So there's 2 steps we have to take. We have to sketch the original variable, what we're given and what we're trying to find, what that will look like on the standard normal distribution, work out what the boundary value is to match them, and then use the transformation function in order to deal with that.